Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I have my Scentbox subscription, and this is my fragrance subscription. And if you're interested in seeing which subscriptions, which fragrances I actually chose this month, please stay tuned. Hey, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I kind of look goofy today, yes, and I got new glasses, and I think I mentioned this to you. Costco special. I think 3 or 5 of these for like $12, but I can see now anyway. So yeah. So what I want to open today, unbox today, are my 2 Scentbox packages. One of them actually I got as a gift, and the other one is what I actually chose. So it should be 2 in one and 1 in the other, right? But before we go there, you know what we have to do. Yep. Our affirmations for the day. So let's pick a card. Okay, here we go. I have a card, and this is a very interesting card. Take a look, right? It says, I am a ray of light in a neutral world. Wow. I am a ray of light in a neutral world. That's me. Or at least I think I like to be me. You know, I like to work towards that. So what is it saying? It says, how can I improve the lives of others today? What can I do to make my light shine brighter? That is so sweet. I really like this. Here you go. Take a look. And if you want to screenshot it, yeah, it says, I am a ray of light in a neutral world. And how can I improve the lives of others today? And how can I do more? What can I do to make my light shine brighter? And I'm going to go ahead and hold this up for you guys. And this is just so important, you guys. You know, I mean, it's great that for self-affirmations, we affirm to ourselves what we feel about ourselves and what's important to us. But at the same time, it's so important to know what we can contribute to others out there in the world, right? Because we don't live in a vacuum all by ourselves, right? We share our thoughts, our feelings, our daily lives with other people, whether it be from work or with friends or with family. There's always that intertwining of people. And so it's really important that you kind of remove yourself away from being too self-centered and to take that valuable thing that you have, right? That specialness that you have, and share with others how you use that to make lives better for other people. And that is so very important, right? Because I think, you know, if more people did that, I think it'd be a happier world and it'd be less trauma in the world, right? So yeah, so this is a good card. Think about it, and what do you think about it? You know, I like it. I'm a ray of light in a neutral world, and I don't say this to kind of honk my own horn. No, hold on one second because I'm about to sneeze. So yeah, you see how I could tell I wasn't kidding when I said I know I'm about to sneeze. I said, hold on one second, it's coming. So anyway, sorry about the interruption, but it says, you know, what I was saying is it's so important that we can actually pull out what we have for ourselves, what makes us strong, and kind of use that to make other people's lives better, because, you know, we do need others like others need us, right? It just should be that way. This is the way the world is meant to be. So anyway, yeah, let me know what you think about this card, okay? So it's a very interesting card. I like it. Let me just put this back so that way I don't lose it. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys had a really good week. And I was going to go ahead and do the spotlight, but I'm recording these videos like one after the other, and I ran out of them. And I will go ahead and collect some more. But sorry about that. But I want to go ahead and start unboxing these. And so once I unbox it, I'll go ahead and go to the site and take a look and see what these scents represent, or what the notes are, right? And so just to let you know, Scentbox is one of the many fragrance companies that offer fragrances on a monthly basis. And I just looked it up to tell you what my cost is. I do get the premium package, which are the premium perfumes, okay? And it's $34.95 a month for 2 of them of my choice. Or you can do $14.95 a month for, you know, just the regular perfume. So, yeah, and it doesn't matter. It's up to you how you do it. There's various ways to do it. So, they come either 1 or 2, and how I like to do it is I like 2. And so it comes like this, and it comes in these really nifty containers. And some companies, unlike Scentbox, don't come with these containers, and they just come like this in a little like a vial in a little tube, whereas Scentbox gives you this every single month, okay? And the cost is the same. And also with Scentbox, if you do not like the fragrance, they allow you to exchange one. Let's say I have 2 of these, right? And I don't like one of them. I can exchange one. No questions asked. Very easy to do. Just put it right back into this bag. Put the address that's in here. Stick it on here. Close it up. And then you go onto the computer, you select your next one, and they send you that for free. No problem at all. And that's very rare for any fragrance company. And I think this Scentbox is the only company that I found that will allow you to return it, okay? I had Scentbird for a while. I think some of you who's been watching me know that. And they didn't allow that, nor did it come with these containers every month. And so the first, I've been waiting for this one. First scent I have is the Mugler Alien. I have the Angel one. And then, you know, they say people like one or the other. They either love the Alien or they love the Angel. And I got the Angel and I do like it. But I wanted to try this one here. So let me just really quick look up what it says about it. So, Scentbox. Okay, this is what the container would look like if I were to buy a full size. It is a premium perfume, as you see. And this is the company is called Thierry Mugler. And it's called Alien. And the scent characteristics are, let's see, Thierry Mugler, the maker of Beauty Classic Angel, brings you Alien, a fragrance which stands out from the crowd and isn't afraid to be different. It reflects the creator's relentless search to find something new. The feminine fragrance smells unrecognizable, yet at the same time comfortably familiar. Okay, so let's see what it says. The bottle is faceted like jewel, and its amethyst color symbolizes thoughtfulness and peace of mind. The name engraved in the glass is reflected and reversed to form a sign as it would in a mirror. The unique and distinctive woody amber solar floral fragrance consists of 2 powerful top notes, brightly by a luminous flower. Alien perfume, an amber revelation. Thierry Mugler dreamed of a new ingredient, modern amber, a talisman with warm, soothing spirit, a mineral hewn into a precious stone with magical power. Alien is a woody revelation accompanying the new exuberant and suffused with cashmerean. The woody note is distinctive, mysterious, and stimulates the imagination. Alien, a floral revelation within its combination of luxurious, unusual notes, is floral lightness of jasmine sambac, a gentle yet powerful flower with delicate petals that bloom under the Indian sun and gives off bewitching scent with a hint of green notes and orange blossom. Wow, sounds really fancy, right, guys? So they say the best thing is that it is woody, it is youthful, it is good for a party atmosphere, and the scent is winter. This is what a lot of the reviewers say. There are 726 ratings with 4.25 stars out of 5. So, okay, let's see. This is Alien, right? It's got me curious. I don't have any perfume on today, so here I go. Okay. Okay, you know, I told you some people like Angel and some people like Alien, and rare that they both like both as much. I can agree with that because I really like Alien. I like Alien. It's not as floral as the Angel. It's more woody because I love woody amber like smell, and this is definitely has a lot of wood in it, like very fresh, like if I were to go into the forest, but not a pine forest, but a forest with a lot of hardwoods. And it has like that smell you get very early in the morning in some neighborhoods. And this is what it smells like. I don't see that this would be a party scent. I don't think this is winter, to be honest. I guess it could be fall, winter, but party, no. This is to me more, I don't know, it's pretty like romantic. Ah, yeah, this is nice. I actually do like this. I will consider getting a full, let me go through this one. If I still like it, I do have rewards from them. That's another thing about Scentbox, is that you get rewards very quickly. For every order, I get back $4.26. So it adds up. And so it's actually, even though I'm paying $34 or in change, I'm really not, because they're giving me credit back. And right now I have almost $70 in credit, because every time I bought a large bottle, they also give me rewards. On top of that, every time I do a review, I get 15% off on a full bottle. So yeah, this company is really good. And I'll go ahead and leave the link below, and it will get you a free bottle. And when you get that as a reward, I also get a free one of these little ones. So yeah. Okay, so what is the next one? Oh, Joy by Dior. Yep. I think a lot of people are familiar with Joy by Dior, because it is actually pretty popular, right? And so let's see what it says about it, though. Okay, let's take a look. Here it is. Joy by Dior. It is also a premium perfume. And the reason why I chose to get this one is because I did have a teeny tiny sample from Nordstrom, and I really liked it. And this actually, they say, is also woody. It's sexy, daytime, and spring. See, I would have said more of that about the Alien one as well, but I don't know. Okay, Joy by Dior launched on the end of August 2018 as an ode to pleasures and life. It's conceived as a scent of energy, liveliness, and softness, of happiness and good mood. It is fragrance illuminated by vibrant smile, flowers, and citrus fruits, and that just kind of like jumped. Smooth caress of wood and the serenity of musk. A fragrance with 1,000 nuances and facets, yet crystal clear. Dior perfume Francois de Maquis said, by Joy by Dior expresses this remarkable feeling of joy by offering an olfactive interpretation of light. This perfume resembles certain pointillist paintings that are rich with precise yet not too obvious technique. It is constructed with multiple nuances, a myriad of facets that lead to an expression that is clear and self-evident. The composition description by the brand, zesty bergamot and mandarin explode in unison with flowers. Grassy rose, and both essence and absolute form, as well as heady jasmine blended with those delectable fruits and vibrant smile. Warm and creamy sandalwood embraces us in softness, an intimate signature. The clear and powdery whisper of musk creates tender and sensual skin-on-skin effect. So yeah, like I said, I have smelt this before, and I do know the fragrance. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of spray this into the box here real quick. Just a small spritz, because I don't want to waste it. Yep, definitely. Strong initially. Woo! Strong initially. Very strong initially, especially when you spray it in cardboard. On skin, it would have absorbed it a little better. But definitely get that floral. It's a lot more floral than Alien is. Alien is a little more woody, even though they both kind of share the same description when it comes to woodsy and floral. And I get the citrus from Joy. And, I really do like the perfume. This is the reason why I ordered this one, because I did have a teeny tiny one, and I do enjoy it. So, yeah, I'm really looking forward to using both of these. But definitely, this Alien one is really starting to grow on me, yeah. So, very nice, very nice. I'll have to ask my husband about it and see what he thinks. Yeah, that's that. And, okay, I have one more, which was a gift, but I believe this one I have already ordered in the past, and I accidentally ordered it again because you go to figure, I liked it. So, okay, here it is, Scentbox. And again, yep, see, anytime you get a gift, it's this type of bottle. And so that way I know which one I got as a gift. And this one here is Dahlia Devon, Le Nectar de Perfume. And I'm not going to spray this one because I do have another one that like I said, that I ordered. But let me see if I can find what this, let me see if it even has it in here. Top notes are red currant, pear, pink pepper, and bergamot. Middle notes are Damascus rose, violet, peony, and jasmine. Base notes are bourbon vanilla, tonka bean, benzoin, Amaroxan, nutmeg, patchouli, and woody notes. And I know that this smells very nice. And it is a very, I would say, very evening scent, and one that is good for date. And, you know, I would say this is a fall to winter warm scent. So if you do like that, it is called Dahlia Devon. And so, yeah, yep. And let me see who makes Dahlia Devon. I want to say, can't think now. Let's see, hold on. I closed that. Why? Okay, hold on. Okay. I don't know what happened to it, but I'll try to look it up for you and see who makes it. And yeah, because I don't know where it went. This is very strange because I'm doing this on the phone. So yep. Okay, guys. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. If I added any value, please do hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing, especially if you like these type of contents. And please click on the bell and hit all, so that way you know every time I upload a new video. So my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or a good weekend, whenever you're watching this. It doesn't matter. But just remember what does matter. Don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.